Yes, next I am going to explain you question number 4. From the adjoining figure, name 3 pair of adjacent angles. The figure is given and they said that you will write 3 pairs of adjacent angles. To write pairs of adjacent angle, you should know the definition of adjacent angle. So adjacent angles are those angles which have common arm and a common vertex. Adjacent angles are those which have common arm and a common vertex. Clear? So here I am going to write here adjacent angles. So look at this figure. In this figure you have to choose those angles which have common arm. Here POC, that means this angle, and POA, that means this angle. These are the adjacent angles. Why? Because they have a common arm, that is OP. OP is a common arm between these two angles, this angle and this angle, POC and POA. So these are the adjacent angles. So angle POC and angle POA. Next is another adjacent angles QOA and POA. These are also adjacent angles. QOA, this angle, and POA, this angle. Why? Because here also OA is a common arm. OA is a common arm between these two angles and a common vertex, that is O. So these are also adjacent angles. So I write here QOA and POA. And another one is QOC, this angle, and QOA, this angle. These are also adjacent, QOC and QOA. Why? Again, they have common arm, that is OQ. OQ is a common arm between these two angles. So these are also adjacent angles. So right here QOC and QOA also form a pair of adjacent angles. Yes, next is write the name of two acute angles. Acute angles are those angles whose measurement is less than 90 degree. So here in this figure, acute angles whose measurement is less than 90 degree, these are POA and second one is AOQ. These are two angles whose measurement is less than 90 degree. So these are acute angles. Here I am write POA and AOQ. Next is write the name of two obtuse angles. Obtuse angles means which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Those are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So in this figure, POC is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And another angle is QOC. QOC. It is also obtuse angle. It is also obtuse angle. So POC and QOC. These are two obtuse angles. Next is fourth part is write the name of two linear pairs of angles. To write linear pair of angles, we should know the definition of linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles are those angles which are adjacent angles and their sum is equals to 180 degree. Those angles are linear pair of angles. Now we have to find here those adjacent angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree. And these angles are POC, POA, POC, this angle, and POA, this angle. When I combine them, that means this total angle is angle of 180 degree. Why? Because it is the angle with a straight line. That means its measurement is equals to 180 degree. I repeat it once again. POC, that means this angle, and POA, that means this one. When I combine them, that means add them, it will form angle of 180 degree. So this will form a linear pair of straight angle. So angle POC and angle POA, these are two adjacent angles. When we add them, it will form a pair of straight angle, pair of angles, linear pair of angles. Why? Because it will form a straight angle, that's why it is a linear pair of angle. Another one is QOC. This angle is adjacent to which angle? QOA. I hope you know the definition of adjacent angle. Because I explain here, adjacent angle are those angles which having common arm and one vertex. So these are two adjacent angles, that is QOC and QOA. These are the two adjacent angles, and when I add them, it will form an angle with a straight line. Straight line is CA. It is a straight line. And when I add these two adjacent angles, it will form angle with a straight line, that is 180 degree. From the definition, 180 degree. So these are the two linear pair of angles. So I write here QOC and QOA. These are the linear pair of angles. Why? Because these are the adjacent angles, and when we add them, they will form angle of 180 degree. So these are the linear pair of angles.